Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and every one. And welcome to another Sunday morning vibes, viewers and subscribers. I hope that everyone is okay and alright, Now, viewers and subscribers, right about now, there's 3 videos I'm going to bring to you, my viewers and subscribers, and one of those videos, according to what has been said on social media, is that it shows of someone that had took money out of a collection plate. Some person said that she steal the money, is what I'm saying to you. Yeah, and some persons might call it collection plate, some might call it, offering plate or offering dish. But however, you get the idea what I'm talking about, alright? Now, the next video after that is going to show of someone that is dancing in a church, and basically, to the kind of dance that that person do, it basically shows that, church music nice. You see me? And the other video after that video, viewers and subscribers, is actually a video that I'm going to leave with you, my viewers and subscribers. And that video is going to show off, people within a church and they're singing and giving praises, and of course, they're giving praises to God. All right? Yeah, so right about now, we're going to get into these videos. All right? Now, the first video that we're going to look at now, viewers and subscribers, and it's a very short video, and according to what has been said about this video on social media, is that this video shows of someone that took something that is said to be money from out of a collection plate, or offering plate, or dish, or whatsoever you might call it. According to what has been said on social media as well, it would seem as if the person had stole the money out of the collection plate, but I have something to say about this, is what I'm saying to you. So here I'm going to present the video to you, my viewers and subscribers, and you can have a look at this video and you can tell me what you think, and I'm going to tell you what I think as well. Alright, let's take a look and observe. Now, viewers and subscribers, it's not that I'm saying that I don't believe what has been said on social media, but at the same time, I don't actually accept what has been said on social media when it is being said that the person had stole the money out of the collection plate, right? You know what I mean? Because viewers and subscribers, this video is too short for me to just say, hey, it's true. No. And listen why now, viewers and subscribers. Notice that the person went over to the collection plate. The person dropped something in the plate and then took up like a huge chunk of it. Now, the reason why I'm saying this is because there's so many people there, right? And that person turned around with the hand filled with the money or whatsoever. You see what I'm saying to you? And I'm saying to myself, people must see that in our hand. You get what I'm saying to you? So I'm saying to myself, what if this person was actually taking the paper money out of the collection plate to give to the treasurer? Or what if that person is actually the treasurer of the church? You get what I'm saying to you, viewers and subscribers? So I don't know. But really and truly, I'm not saying that it is true, and I'm not saying that it is not true. All I'm saying is that the video is too short for me to say, yes, it's true. That's all I'm saying, alright? You can let me know what you think about what you are seeing in this video as well, alright? Yeah. But anyways, viewers and subscribers, now we're going to move on to the next video where it's going to show off this person dancing in the church, you know what I mean? And this video is getting a buzz on social media, you see me? Now, viewers and subscribers, this video has been out there for some time, you know what I mean? Yeah, in my point of view or my knowledge of this video, it has been out there for some time, but however, it is getting a buzz, and I'm going to present this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can have a look at it, and you can also tell me what you think. All right, take a look and observe. when the music hits, you feel no pain. You see it? Yeah, but that one seems as if it had connect. You get what I'm saying to your viewers and subscribers. But anyways, there you have it. I just presented to you a video that shows of the person that was dancing in a church, you know what I mean? And this video getting somewhat of a buzz out there on social media. You know, it's been out there for some time as well too, you know what I mean? But anyways, viewers and subscribers, here I'm going to leave with you the final video, and this video is going to show off persons within a church singing and giving praises to God, you know, and you can also tell me what you think about this video as well. All right, and yeah, this is another Sunday morning vibes, and with that I'm going to leave the video right about now with you, you know, and you don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. I'm only there so to keep you up to date and post it, make you know what I go on, and at the same time to keep you entertained. All right, yeah, so until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. Now here is the video, take a look and observe. Hey, my youth, you know what you watch?
Dancehall Skilla.
Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.